Hello students, myself Pardishi Varsha Vijay Kumar, Residential Junior College, Ahmednagar. Today we are going to start with partnership final accounts. In last chapter we have seen what is partnership. It is an association of two or more persons carrying on a business with a view to earn profit. So the main aim of any business is to earn maximum profit. But when you will come to know how much is the profit of the business, how much is the loss of the business, when you are going to prepare the final accounts. This is the last stage for preparing the final account. Now, final accounts are the accounts which is prepared at the end of the financial year or accounting year. And this accounting year starts from 1st April to 31st March every year. Generally, following steps are followed in accounting procedure. As soon as the transaction takes place, it is recorded in the journal. Then it is posted in the ledger. After that, balances are found out, which is debit balance or a credit balance. And from balances, you prepare the trial balance. And trial balance, with the help of trial balance, you are going to prepare the final accounts. So final account, it is also called as group of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Now we will see necessity of preparation of final accounts. Now first necessity is to find out the gross profit or gross loss of the business. Second, to find out net profit or net loss of the business. Next, to find out the financial position of the business. To find out amount of debtors and creditors of the business. Next, to prepare various accounts for the future planning. To find out sources and application of funds. Next, to find out the value of goodwill. And last, to calculate various taxes like income tax, etc. Now we will see preparation of final accounts. Final accounts is a group of trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. First account we will see today, that is trading account. Now first, trial balance. Trial balance, it is a list of debit and credit balances taken from all respective ledger account. Now for preparation of final account, trial balance is the base. Now trial balance, the aim of preparing trading account is to find out gross profit or gross loss of the business. Now this trading account, it is a nominal account. In 11th standard, we have seen the nominal account. The accounts of expenses and losses is called as nominal account, and the rule of nominal account says debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. As it is a trading account, account has two sides, debit side and credit side. Debit side starts with the word to and credit side starts with the word by. Now what is included in the trading account? In trading account, all direct expenses are included. In trading account, all direct expenses are included. Now direct expenses are those expenses which are directly related with the production. Now this trading account is prepared to find out gross profit or gross loss of the business. So the main aim of it is to find out gross profit or gross loss of the business. Now direct expenses are included in the trading account. Now direct incomes are those incomes which are received by sale of products or services. Now at the end, debit balance indicates gross loss of the business and credit balance indicates gross profit of the business. This gross loss and gross profit we are going to transfer to second account, which is profit and loss account. Now we will see the format of trading account. As this is the account, it has two sides, debit side and credit side. Debit side starts with the word to and credit side starts with the word by. Direct expenses are recorded on the trading account debit side and direct incomes are recorded on the trading account credit side. So first item, opening stock. Next, to purchases. From the purchases we have to deduct return outward. It is also called as purchase return. Next is to freight, custom duty or import duty. Next, wages and salary. Now see, the wages word is first. So in this amount, wages amount is more than the salary. Next, royalty, then factory rent and rates, then factory insurance, to works manager salary, and next to gross profit carried down. Now credit side, by sales. From sales we have to deduct return inward, which is also called as a sales return. Next, the goods lost by fire, by goods lost by theft, by goods distributed as free samples, by goods withdrawn by partner, by closing stock, and by gross loss carried down. Now this gross profit and gross loss we have to transfer to second account, which is profit and loss account. This format you have to take down in your notebook.